got this backflow device here that's leaking, you can see, so gotta take apart the check valves, check the gaskets. Might have to get a repair kit if I can't salvage this one. So I finally got this old broken seat out of this backflow device here. It's funny, I didn't have, they make a removal tool, goes on these little pegs here to take it out. I didn't have that. I just used a spade shovel and I was able to twist it out and it worked. So going to pick up the new part tomorrow. That was actually a pretty tough part to find too. Got this Wilkins Zurn. Not many plumbing supply houses carry this brand at all in my area. I'm in Massachusetts here. That was a really tough part to find. I ended up, my best and quickest bet was I actually went through Granger, and believe it or not, they had one in New Jersey. So they shipped it to, they're shipping it to Watertown, Mass tomorrow, and I'm going to pick it up there in the morning. And we'll put that new seat in, and I can put the plunger back on, and we should be good. Stay tuned. So I'm back here with this backflow device leakage situation. So I just got the part, which is good. It was actually really hard to find this part. I probably called about 20 different plumbing supply stores all around the state, even in a couple in New Hampshire, and not many carry that Wilkins Zurn brand parts. Here's the old seat here. You can see how this one's cracked right here, and the rubber gaskets snapped right there, so that's why it was leaking. So I got this opened up here, and you see those threads right down in there is where this little seat sits. This is the new one. Took it right out of the package. It comes with an extra and another part there. So I'm gonna put this in, and it's pretty. Oh yeah. See it twisted in there. Perfect. And the seat is now in. I twisted it in there with the shovel, so now we're gonna put our plunger back in. This thing, you can see the gasket here. It's in pretty good shape, so if it wasn't, I'd end up just flipping it to the other side. But this one seems fine. So we're gonna put this right in here. And then take our spring. The spring goes in there as well. And then we just, all we gotta do is cap it shut. So I'm gonna do that, button this up and test it. All right, cap's on. So I'm just gonna take my pipe wrench and wrap this up here. Boom. All right, we got this thing buttoned up, so I guess we'll see if this thing works. Oh yeah, look at that. Nothing at all. That's awesome. We got the valve all the way open, and there is no leakage. So now we got hot water flowing right back through to the machines. And there we go. That was a good fix. And it only cost me $27.